John Ritchie, known professionally as Sid Vicious, was an English bassist and vocalist for the Sex Pistols, a British punk rock band. Vicious replaced Glen Matlock, who had fallen out of favor with the other members of the group. Due to intravenous drug use, Vicious was hospitalized with hepatitis during the recording of the Sex Pistols' only studio album, Never Mind the Bollocks. Here's the Sex Pistols. His bass is only partially featured on one song, Bodies. Vicious later appeared as a lead vocalist, performing 3 songs on the soundtrack to the great rock and roll Swindle, a largely fictionalized documentary about the Sex Pistols. As the Sex Pistols were gaining attention, Vicious met Nancy Spungen, and the couple began a relationship that culminated in Spungen's death from an apparent stab wound while staying in New York City's Hotel Chelsea with Vicious. Under suspicion of murder, Vicious was released on bail. He was arrested again for assaulting Todd Smith, brother of Patti Smith, at a nightclub and underwent drug rehabilitation on Rikers Island. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.